In this video, we're going to teach you how to clean your UV scanner on your CFS 2300. Step one, you want to hit the system stop button on the front panel near the touchscreen. And once you've done that, then you're safe to go ahead and go to the next step. What you're going to do is you're going to need 3 tools. You'll need a crescent wrench, you'll need a soft cloth for like eyeglasses, and you'll need a long paper clip that has been opened up and extended out. Your UV scanner, we have 2 burners. You have the afterburner on the back of the machine. You also have the main burner, which is on the top of the machine. Both of them have a UV scanner. What the UV scanner is used for is it actually sees the flame to tell the system that it is lit. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it. So the first thing you want to do is you grab a crescent wrench. You're going to loosen the hex nut on the UV scanner. Once you have it loosened, you should be able to take it off by hand. Once you have this removed, what we're going to use is we're going to use a soft cloth, is some similar to an eyeglass cloth. What we're going to do is inside there is a little bulb. You're going to take the soft cloth, go inside, and you're going to wipe off the window inside, the bulb. Once that's done, you're going to gently set it off to the side. You're going to remove the insulator, which is that brownish red color. All right. What that is now exposing is what we call an aperture. The aperture is what this item is. Inside it, you'll see that little hole. What we're going to do is we're going to use a long, larger paper clip, and we are going to go down into the current aperture on the burner and make sure you clear out and ream out the hole really well to break apart any carbon or soot that may be in there, any particles. So once you've reamed that out real good, now we're going to go in reverse. We're going to go ahead and install the insulator. And we do not need to tighten these down. You just need to hand tighten them and then snug them real good with your hand. Once that's done, now we're going to carefully go ahead and reattach the hex of the UV scanner. And again, you want to not tighten this a lot, but you do want it to be snug. So that's how you clean out the UV scanner.